Yo, my diva pretty plus my Kylie thick. We shell on YouTube cause we stylistic. What? Yo, what am I do? Them have strength for girl, a woman's strength them have. Tell them for answer skillibeng and stop chat off them pussy mouth. Watch the fool I try tug it out. Alkaline boots him up, plug him in and plug him out. Anyway me see him get gunshot. Him this diva you get enough gunshot. Him fish blood a wet up the place like rain. Pussy where you know about matches lane. What? The world it's not a plan. Watch what I go on. Very carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent, full effective. You know it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch me now, man. I'm the people's champion. What you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yo, I tell you now all these little lollipop artists there. Them why you know hear why some people ever a bash clash, dancehall clash, you know. Because these are lollipop artists, you know. I want to know if you know that, you know. A lollipop artist, a Disney World patient, them, you know. A top nerd, them, you know. First and foremost, let me tell you something. You can't this diva, you know, boy. And then a lollipop thing, you dealing with, you can't this diva. Because none of your bitch, them not sophisticated like diva. I not ask you, I tell you that. Where you feel like. Let me tell you something. None of the local old tram car them where you run upon, you know, my brother. Now you yourself, you know, not educated like diva, you know. So you try learn that, you know, boy. Respect, you know. You see what I deal with? You try learn that, you know. Now play with my diva, you know, boy. Where you feel like. And what day you wanna start get hype, you know? And what day you wanna start get look up pussy because you wanna start voice couple song and the name a run in the street. And what day you know, but come go like a long time on a bum buckle mash up road. I want me to know nobody know, no. Where the fuck a be little kids know, you know. I want me to know. You don't have no street credibility out there. Eh? You're tough out there. Because if you're tough out there, if Sikarime couldn't come vice skate them video up at your bum buckler gate. And you can't answer Sikarime, now you can't answer skillibeng, you get bum buckler afraid. All you want to do is look hype and clout. You see what I did, that's all you want. You know what I mean? Go answer bum buckler skillibeng and stop chat off your pussy mouth. I want to you. You feel like. Yo, why you lie to me about the girl, man? All the while I see you, I tell her link me, you tell me about, you tell her this, you tell her that, you know, you don't tell her nothing, you know, my brother. You don't tell her nothing, man. I see her, you know. No, I go up the road and come back, but I deal with that little shishki bag first. Respect, you know. Alright, mama. Alright. Good. You see what I say? Boy, but I feel like you think you can come get bright with my diva. Eh? Let me tell you something, man. I'm not trying to violate nobody and not disrespect, you know, but let me tell you something. I don't think you have no woman in your bum buckler life as sophisticated like a diva. I don't ever care a bum buckler too. Respect, you hear that, Cam? You see what I deal? When you feel, you look hype and clout, and you go out on IG, you know, and a blood clot chat shit against the man, you know. You see me? And then you do song, you know, with some little controversial shit in it. And now when time the general skillibeng represent, I'm a bumbo clot, bad diva go come out and say, Ray, boy, you tell her about you send her underneath her mother. Yo. The last time you tried that bumbo clot shit there, eh?
You do that?
Yeah, man. Where you go?
I go up on the end and come back.
Dead end? Yeah. Now walk, go up the road and forward, but I'm not even going to itch. You see me? The The last time your bumbo clot do that, you remember what happened? The Benz up blood clot but boys the finance crash. Eh? You not go like you not no body. Eh? When the blogger did come out yesterday morning and I talk about a hope skillibeng door run or we have no white flag and a hope skillibeng answer you never run out and tell the blog and send the blogger underneath him mother and tell him say I don't know what thing you deal with. Okay. It look like a girl strength you have. I'm going to tell you something, you can't violate my diva nowhere bumbo at all. Not even in a real life. Not even in your dream. I want me to you. Eh? I want me to you. You're not a baby artist. A clout you all up. Hype you want. You want controversy. People call your name. It's not this and that. You come in not different from lava bumbo clot son. We have bag a girl on it with be a mix up controversy. You see what I deal with? You're a clown artist. First thing is an automated artist. You know what I mean? You belong in a Disney world. And that's how your thing stop. And I don't even know joke thing. But you can violate diva. Eh? Some know no sense, you know. You're not a clown, you know. And I go like on tough, you know. Think on tough. Eh? Man come up here, yard come shoot video, you can't answer that. You run like a blood clot thief, but you want to come send me nice bad blood clot diva underneath her mother. With the bumbo clot there, boy. Eh? You think he's a careless girl you chat to? Eh? God even don't want nothing from you, you know, boy. I tell you that, you know. Because you don't have nothing for girl, you know. Make sure I tell you that, you know. If you understand on yourself, you know, or bend down and blow on yourself, you know. Because I don't laugh with it, you know. We not beg no friend from no boy, you know. I want to tell you, you know, do music and entertain your fans. And the girl that do her thing, and not entertain her fans. You know, no respect and no manners you come out and come and get bright. That's all you can do. That's one reason stop. That's one vocabulary there. And they say it end. Pussy wall, suck mother, this, that's all. That's all, right? That's all, right? You hear the fire where skillibeng spit and a drop. You run like thief when you're supposed to answer. And I go like say a woman strength you have. Let me tell you something. You see the way you look wishy-washy. You can't ever face diva and tell her that out of your mouth. She box down your bumbo clot. And I don't know gimmicks business. I don't ever lie upon it. I say the way your blood clot wishy-washy. I say if you attack the diva personally, she box down your blood clot. Wanna feel like? Eh? Yo. I some know if you leave the blood clot sports, you know. It not fit, you know. Because I don't want to words. I don't want to bumbo clot. This song, this up people, and them shit there. So when you there then I talk about bumbo clot, sharp bossing and I talk and I disrespect the girl, you know. And I disrespect Vibes Cartel in your song. How somebody did for box down your blood clot a ground, then you da hear this and hear that. Though the bumbo clot you send diva up underneath her mother no batty boy. Eh? Eh? You don't want to violate people and nobody enough for violate, you know. Eh? You think I saw the world go, you think I saw it run? You don't want to get up and violate people and nobody enough for violate, you know. It don't work like that. I will not beg friend. We not respond to which pussy want vex. I want me to know, come do the next best. I want me to you. But see 15 minutes of fame. She want no fame from you. She no wanna fame from you. Eh? Remember, Diva is a girl who fly all boat over the world, you know. That are long before evil boys see them, you know. Boots up, you look a sympathetic, animated career, you know. You know what I mean?
I can't have a girlfriend in my house.
You know, fly go the amount of place them where Diva go, you know. I doubt if you even fly out of the country yet, you know. So I don't know what kind of hype you talk about, you know, what kind of fame, you know, what kind of fame you talk about. Eh? Oh, I'm to them clown artists, yeah, man. When I run up like the tougher one enough to use lyrics and defend on yourself. You can't find the lyrics. You not talk about another, you not in a war or you not in a this. The war not do. War not do. You know some sissy. Tell you something. Boy, man. We're going to see how long the animated bumbuckler thing they are going to carry. You see me? But good. Because it not sound professional. And it not sound bumbuckler nice. I mean, I know who that bumbuckler sweet. It sound like a something where for their bumbuckler Universal Studio. Straight down a blood clot Disney World. You see me? With the animated bumbuckler shit. I will go play with Alvin and the Chipmunks them. Like I must say them you study. You get bright. Let me tell you something in the Gaza nation. You know I'm not easy, you know. I high grade my smoke and I'm not bun baby, you know. And nobody watch my attitude, you know. Because I tell you something from a boy this diva, you know, a gunshot, you know, and a joke thing, you know. You know what I mean? From a boy this me diva, I say anywhere I see them get gunshot. I want me to tell you. Bumbuckler down the general, the 10-star one I represent. You know me deal, you know me is a man still when it comes to my diva, you know. No lollipop thing, me ever hide it in a first class thing. You hear me I say? What? 10-star. Watch.